Our galaxy is falling apart, and NASA has just uncovered a 230 light-year fracture in the Milky Way that's leaving scientists baffled. But here's where it gets mind-blowing asterisk: this isn't just a crack in space. It's a window into the invisible forces shaping our universe. Forces so mysterious, they can't be seen, only theorized. And yet, they're powerful enough to tear apart the very fabric of our galaxy. How? Why? These are questions NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory is racing to answer. Using technology so advanced it's the only tool capable of translating these cosmic images into something we can understand. Imagine the universe as a grand, interconnected web, where galaxies collide, stars explode, and new worlds are born from destruction. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Wrong. This is our reality. Take our own planet, it was forged in the chaos of cosmic collisions. Now, picture this happening on a stellar scale. Supernovae, pulsars, and neutron stars wield destructive power beyond imagination. Yet they also create phenomena so subtle, only specialized instruments like Chandra can reveal them. And that's exactly what happened when NASA spotted a bone in the Milky Way. A fracture so bizarre, it's rewriting what we know about galactic dynamics. And this is the part most people miss asterisk: what Chandra captured isn't an actual bone, but a galactic center filament. A massive, thread-like structure shaped by magnetic fields at the heart of our galaxy. Catalogued as G359.13142-0.20005. This filament stretches 230 light-years and glows brighter than most we've ever seen. But what caused it to fracture? Astronomers believe a pulsar, a neutron star spinning at unimaginable speeds, slammed into it at over 1,000,000 miles per hour. The collision was so violent it twisted the filament's magnetic field, leaving behind the fracture we see today. Here's where it gets even more intriguing. NASA detected a strange signal pulsing every 44 minutes from an object named ESCAP J1832-0912. But here's the controversial part asterisk: this discovery was only possible because two telescopes with completely different methods. ESCAP, which scans vast areas, and Chandra, which zooms in for detail, just happened to be looking at the same patch of sky. Coincidence? Or something more? This raises a bigger question. How much of the universe are we missing simply because we're not looking in the right way? This fracture in the Milky Way isn't just a scientific curiosity. It's a reminder of how little we understand about the forces shaping our existence. Are these invisible forces random or part of a larger design? Could they one day affect Earth? These are questions that spark debate and demand answers. What do you think? Is this fracture a sign of cosmic chaos or a clue to a deeper order? Let's discuss in the comments, because the universe isn't just out there. It's in here, waiting for us to unravel its mysteries.